How you doing? I'm Callan and this is Slapped Ham. Today we're looking at some freaky videos no one can quite explain. So hit that subscribe button and get ready for more creepy content, just like this. Posted to the Bitch Instagram page, this video seems to, quite literally, show a glitch in the Matrix. Captured outside, the video shows a point in the sky where the inexplicable is occurring. In the middle of the air, surrounded by palm trees, a strange object seems to be floating. It looks to be a palm frond frozen in space and time. It almost looks like we're seeing a glitched simulation. Half the elements in the video seem to make sense, but it looks like the palm frond's been copied and pasted to the wrong part of the sky. The video zooms into the weird object, showing that it isn't simply a doctored photograph. Some commenters thought perhaps there was a thin power line or piece of string holding the palm leaf up. While viewers may not be certain to what exactly is happening in this video, freaky videos like these certainly lend credence to the idea that we might actually be living in a simulation after all. Hey peeps, just a quick interlude to let you know today's episode's brought to you by Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends is an epic turn-based strategy game that plays like a AAA title right on your phone. There's literally hundreds of champions to collect, customize, and send into battle. There's a ton of ways to play too. There's a fully fleshed out story campaign, online battle arena for epic PvP fights. Lately, I've been playing a lot of boss battles to level up my squad. Check out these crazy boss fights. The devs are constantly working on the game too. They've just released the Artifact Forge where you can craft artifacts directly. There's a new advanced quest system with awesome rewards, as well as new champions rolling out soon. So what are you waiting for? Download the game, it's absolutely free. Use my special link in the description box below, and if you're a new player, you'll get 100,000 silver, 3 ancient shards, 1 energy refill, and an awesome free champion, the Executioner. Just check out how cool this dude is. If you're a new player, all your goodies will be available in the inbox here. Uploaded by YouTube user Dave World, this video is sure to leave viewers with the creeps for quite a while. Captured on a dash cam, the video first focuses on another vehicle driving just ahead. After a bit of time, the vehicle must swerve to get around something in the way of the road. It's only when the vehicle with the dash cam approaches that same area that questions, as well as concerns, start to be raised. There are quite a few freaky videos on the internet featuring ominous figures standing in the middle of the road, but the scariest are those that seem to be quite clearly corporeal. As the car comes closer, it's quite clear that a man is standing right in the middle of the road. Eerily still, the figure appears to be completely unconcerned with the possibility of being hit by a vehicle. In fact, the figure's stance almost appears to be a challenge to oncoming vehicles, practically asking them to do their worst. Upon closer inspection, the figure appears to be unnaturally pale and expressionless. While the video claims the figure is a ghost, this creepy figure in the middle of the road barely needs a supernatural influence in order to unsettle viewers. Regardless of whether this is an actual supernatural figure, the idea of a person standing in the middle of the road like this is concerning enough to leave viewers feeling jarred. As with the last clip, these freaky videos posted to TikTok by user MattHall36 shows that a figure doesn't have to be supernatural to be terror-inducing. These videos were recorded after hours at the TikTok user's place of business and accompanied by a frantic call to the police. The actual horror one feels for the person in this scenario is real. The first video uploaded is a chilling documentation of the traumatic event. A man is seen outside the building. It's clear that the situation had been progressing before the video was recording. The uploader is already on the phone with the police as this is taking place.
Dragging a bag at my work. No, sorry, I'm just recording in case something happens.
The video shows security camera footage of a man eerily dragging what appears to be a heavy bag down the road.
I can't see his face.
As the man gets closer to the building, it's clear the uploader is terrified.
In case something happens. I can't.
To the uploader's dismay, the man runs up to the building and begins pounding on the door.
See? Oh my f***ing god! He's outside the door.
Clearly distressed and with nowhere to hide, the man begs the police to get there as quickly as possible.
He's like behind the building now. I don't. Can you just get here, please? Really?
Given the popularity of the first chilling video, a second video was posted to the channel in order to explain the context of the creepy event in more detail. The uploader explains that he had been working a night shift when the motion-activated cameras detected someone nearby.
It was pretty late at night and I heard the beep go off, so I went to go look at the camera. Somebody was dragging a bag right beside the building.
Given the man's odd behaviour, the uploader called 911 as the man approached and then started recording the video.
I was pretty creeped out, so I went and grabbed the work phone and called 911. By the time I was on the phone with them, the guy walked up the road a little bit, but then he started to come back towards the building. This is when I started recording.
The man apparently disappeared after the video ended, leaving behind his bag. The police arrived only to discover the bag contained bloody clothes.
And they searched the area for him. They said inside his bag just had a bunch of clothes, but some of the clothes had some blood on them, I guess. Anyways, they're gonna take that in for investigation.
With the man gone and his bag of evidence apparently left behind, it's clear that while this tale is over for the TikTok user, the police investigation has only just begun.
I don't. Can you just get here, please? Really?
Posted by Reddit user Eric31, scary Ring camera videos have gained a lot of attention in recent years. While some users have a lot to say about camera glitches, others are less convinced by this explanation. Either way, these occurrences are certainly frequent enough to raise some doubts as to what discerning individuals are seeing. In this case, a man is captured by a Ring camera. He is nonchalantly walking down the sidewalk in front of this couple's home. However, as soon as he reaches the end of the sidewalk in view of the camera, the man's body seems to slowly disappear until there's nothing left. Where the man once was, only the background provided by the neighbourhood remains. Some viewers assert the odd effect to be some sort of video glitch relative to light. While it's certainly plausible for these cameras to glitch, therefore creating odd visuals, that may not necessarily be the case in this instance. If you look closely, the man's body disappears slowly rather than all at once. This leaves the objects behind him clear as day in the video. Rather than distort the entire scene, only the man seems to be tampered with. From a supernatural perspective, one has to wonder what it is they're seeing here exactly. The disappearance of a ghost, or something else entirely. We'll leave that up to you, the viewer, to decide. Tweeted by user Conspiration ESP, this video begs the same question: is this real or fake? The footage is being captured from an aircraft in the sky. It's clear the original uploader began recording as they sensed something wrong with the aircraft opposite them. An object is first spotted flying on nearly the same level as this aircraft in the opposite direction. Coming closer, the flying object appears to be nothing like any aircraft seen before. Boxy yet flat, the craft instantly looks more like something out of a sci-fi movie than a commercial or army aircraft. What's more, the object appears to adjust its course quickly once it realizes it's closing in on the aircraft this video was recorded in. Dipping down beneath the cloud cover, it's clear that whatever craft this was didn't want to be seen too closely. The mystery of the odd aircraft may never see a conclusion. This leaves viewers and UFO enthusiasts to wonder just what exactly was seen that day. Before we take a look at some eerie, inexplicable Ring security camera footage, remember to hit that subscribe button and tickle that little bell icon there and turn on all channel notifications. That way you'll be notified every time we drop our mysterious and scary videos. Also, remember to grab that thumbs up button in a headlock and noogie its cheeky little noggin. The last of these freaky videos was posted to the Ring website itself. Seemingly just an average security video, the anomaly in this video is subtle and easily missed. However, closer viewings reveal a small light visible near the home's driveway at the beginning of the video. The light zips right down the sidewalk to the street, where it seems to almost materialize as a figure on the road. Eerie and unsettling, repeated viewings do nothing to calm the nagging idea at the back of one's mind that whatever it is they're seeing is not quite natural. When the figure reaches the end of the sidewalk and hits the road, it appears to materialize into another form entirely. A trick of the mind or a trick of an otherworldly spirit? That's clearly up to the viewer to decide, as it seems unlikely a follow-up to this odd video will ever be posted. However, videos like this do a good job raising speculation as to whether or not any of these open-ended Ring camera videos will ever get the proper investigation they deserve, or if they'll be blamed on camera glitches forevermore. Now, if you can't get enough of the old slapped ham, then check out these two links there. They'll keep you entertained for hours and hours. Now, if you have your own scary content you want to submit, head to our Slapped Ham subreddit. There's a link in the description box below. And that's it for me. I'll see you all next time.